How do I obtain Breloom with the Spore move?
Hello, fellow trainers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Pokémon and learn how to obtain a Breloom with the Spore move. For those who don't know, Breloom is a grass fighting type Pokémon known for its fighting prowess and unique moveset, and Spore is one of the most potent sleep-inducing moves in the game. Let's dive into it.
What is Breloom and why Spore?
Breloom is a Pokémon known for its high attack stat and its unique moveset. One of its potential moves, Spore, is a grass-type move that puts the target to sleep with a 100% accuracy. This combination makes Breloom a threatening force in battle, capable of putting opponents to sleep and hitting hard.
How to obtain a Shroomish?
Before getting a Breloom, we need to start with a Shroomish, which is Breloom's pre-evolution form. Shroomish can learn Spore naturally but only at a high level. You can find Shroomish in grassy areas in various Pokémon games. In Generation 3rd games, Ruby, Sapphire, Emerald, for instance, you can find Shroomish in Petalburg Woods.
Leveling up Shroomish to learn Spore.
After catching a Shroomish, the next step is leveling it up to level 54. At level 54, Shroomish learns the move Spore. Be careful not to evolve Shroomish into Breloom before it learns Spore at level 54. Otherwise, you'll miss the opportunity as Breloom does not learn Spore naturally.
Evolving Shroomish to Breloom.
Once Shroomish has learned Spore, it's time to evolve it. Shroomish evolves into Breloom starting at level 23. You can achieve this by gaining enough experience points in battles, or by using a rare candy to instantly level up your Shroomish. And that's it. You now know how to get a Breloom with the Spore move. With patience and perseverance, you'll have this powerful Pokémon in your team ready to take on any challenge. We hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, trainers, keep on catching.